Welcome to this Android and Google channel, and this is the Google and Android news for Wednesday, September the 26th, 2018. And today in our news, we have the Google Messages app on Android that's getting some updates. And it will introduce in the next few weeks several changes, among them an improved search capability. Not only will it try to understand what contacts you might want to search, but also information in text or specific pictures. And there's a lot more coming to the Messages app on Android. Google has ended its cryptocurrency ad ban. It had started to ban these because a lot of the ads were kind of pretty much close, if not in the illegal transaction types. Well, now the cryptocurrency ads are going to come back, but not all of them, just a specific type, and they will actually need to be approved to be on the service. Google says it will change the way things are working in Chrome after many user complaints of them being logged in on their Chrome browser when going into different Google services. Now, Google kind of tried to say that it wasn't that exactly, but it's just kind of a very dark zone where you're not really sure right now. So that simply means that, well, the next version of Google Chrome will actually stop doing this. Google Maps is adding a new feature. If you actually go somewhere and want to know which restaurant is maybe the best, you'll be able to poll your friends, and you'll be able to get their own take on what are the good restaurants maybe in the area where you are. So, of course, this is adding tons of new little things every day almost, and every week here in the Google Maps that will make it even more useful. And, of course, they want you to continue using this. A new study finds that Android phones that have Bluetooth enabled when you're in public are a bad idea. The study says that a lot of smartphones, because of the fact that their security updates are many months behind, actually are dangerous, because the security flaws that we discover from time to time in Bluetooth is actually making your phone vulnerable to snooping and even having some malware injected in it. So the general rule for Bluetooth is that if you don't use it, turn it off. And finally, if you have an Android phone, it has to be compatible in some way, and you've got to take the risk to, of course, install an APK. Well, you can actually install the Google Pixel 3 Live Wallpapers on your smartphone. I will do a video today and give you the links of the correct place to actually download the APK. So if you wish to try it out at your own risk, you will be able to do so. And of course, that will make me do a video of how to install APKs on Android. And this is the tech news update for Android and Google for Wednesday, September the 26th, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.